Today I want to tell you how I choose the stocks I buy as a beginner investor. I am not trying to find super famous companies for cheap prices. I am not trying to beat the market in a few months. I am just trying not to make the same mistakes I made when I first started. Before I begin, I just want to say that this video is not financial advice and my channel is only about sharing my investments and mistakes, and also my journey to financial freedom. So, how do I choose stocks? In the past, I didn't really think about this, and I just bought the biggest and most well-known companies. Now I diversify my portfolio and divide it into categories such as technology, agriculture, energy, healthcare, and others. I simplified 2-3 stocks from each sector and start researching them, what they do, their long-term performance, whether they are fairly valued, and from those 3 options I choose the one that interests me the most. I also need to be able to describe what the company is and what it does. I also educate myself by watching more experienced investors on YouTube and by following investing trends. I only want quality companies that are stable in the long term. This is how I choose one stock, and then I invest regularly based on my possibilities. For example, $20 to $30 per stock. My total monthly budget is $200, which means I regularly buy around 6 to 10 different stocks. I don't care about the current price of the stock. In the long term, it builds over time. Sometimes the price is lower, sometimes higher. But I definitely don't want to sell when the market is volatile. If I find a company that doesn't attract me and doesn't make sense to me, even after research, I simply ignore it. Right now, I'm not looking for new stocks anymore. I just plan to invest regularly. In summary, in order for me to choose and buy a company's stock, I need to be able to say something about the company and clearly explain what they do. Otherwise, I don't buy it. On my channel, I share my investing journey towards success even with small amounts of money. And if you are interested in how I manage it, you know where to find me. At the end, I want to ask, what about you? How do you choose your stocks? Do you also do some research? Share it in the comments, and thank you for watching the video.